Kepala Staf Angkatan Darat Jenderal TNI Andika Perkasa didampingi jajaran petinggi TNI AD menerima kedatangan pihak Airbus Indonesia bersama Kolonel Alvaro yang merupakan atase pertahanan Spanyol di Indonesia.
Kita sangat berterima kasih kepercayaan dari TNI AD. Kemarin juga kami bertemu dengan Pak Komandan Penerbang mengenai helikopter produk Airbus yang dipakai di sana. Ada kurang lebih 10 unit yang perlu kita support untuk maintenance dan juga upgrading-nya. Airbus is a European company which is created by 4 home countries. So our home countries, one is Spain, and then Germany, and then France, and then United Kingdom.
So, Colonel, so you're an Air Force?
Yes, I'm Air Force. My former post in Spain I was the Chief of Operation of the Spanish Military Mobility Command, a military transport in Spain. I was talking with them before. During the last 2 years, Spain was replacing the C-130s with the new A400. It's the brand new transport, military transport.
Please count on the commitment of Airbus, also to support your existing fleet of Fennec. I know there is a challenge to keep this fleet flying, and that you have decided to invest in maintenance. We are determined to make sure you have the right support, so you can have locally delivered by local companies, but backed with Airbus.
Let's say, okay, we could help by trying to convince them, hey, we want to get this service just directly from the company who actually made this aircraft. You know, other companies who thought they could do it.
Ya, tidak ada sama sekali keraguan dari kami. Ya. Menjadi komitmen kami semua untuk mensupport Angkatan Darat.
Oke. Sip. Ya. Oke.